Hey guys, in this video I'm going to show you how to make logo in Canva for business. Now if you are starting business, Canva logos or using or creating your own logos here in Canva is actually going to be really good. And I'm going to show you some ways we can do it. First things first, you can go ahead and just type here logo. Now these are templates that are already available here in Canva, meaning you can just go ahead and utilize some of these and they're going to be really helpful. So yeah, go ahead and choose which one you think would fit best to the um, kind of video that you're doing. So I'm gonna go ahead and try this one. I think this one really is fitting very well. So I'm gonna customize this one, and this is the easiest thing to do. What you're gonna do from here is just change the texts. So let's go ahead and change this one to Vladimir, and let's go and put here tutorials. Now we can go ahead and make changes or edits here. So let's try to fit them. There you go. And then we can go ahead and make some adjustment to the shapes. All right. All right, there you go. Now let's try to put this in the center. I'm gonna go ahead and utilize there that line, and you can go ahead and make some changes with the colors. Now, say for example, I'm gonna go ahead and utilize different colors here. So let's say for example, this is gonna be, oh, let's say red. All right, and then if you want to add something else here, let's say a shape as well, you can definitely do that. And then we're going to click the position, layers, and then let's go ahead and put this at the back. Now from this point, instead of that red, let's go ahead and try to choose something else. Let's say yellow, or maybe not that one. Let's try to use a different color. All right, there you go. So I'm just gonna use that one for example. But yeah, you can go ahead and do different sorts of customizations here. Let's try to make this less bold and this one. All right, let's do both bold. All right, there you go. Yep. So there you go. I think that logo is going to be really good. It's very simple, but at the same time, very attractive. Again, in your case, go ahead and try to use different sorts of formats here. It's going to be awesome. It's going to be very easy. That's how you're going to do a logo here in Canva.